for setting up the MahaGov Cloud, for linking UID to, for financial inclusion projects, for setting up SMS-based notification of public welfare schemes, and a whole lot of other technology-related projects for the benefit of the state. I would like to invite Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, IAS, Secretary IT, Maharashtra Government, Department of May I invite Mr. A.S. Rajgopal, CEO of NextGen, to give away the next award. This individual is a very, very senior CIO, having the responsibility for $16 billion Indian conglomerate, and using technology, using his team, and using his influence at the board, he has been able to bring about significant changes. He has been able to roll out very, very large, significant IT initiatives. Also this group has got the most number of innovative IT deployments across various companies in the group. I'm talking about the Mahindra & Mahindra Group, and this award goes to Mr. V.S. Parthasarathi, the Group CIO of Mahindra & Mahindra. Unfortunately, he is not here, but the head of the CIO office of the Mahindra & Mahindra Group, Mr. Ashok Asavale. I would like to call upon Mr. Richkant Jha from Panasonic to give the next award. This individual has been credited for creating information-driven organization, managing organizational data in near real time, extracting business intelligence, and also creating a framework for analytics. This award goes to Mr. Subodh Dubey, Chief Information Officer of Usha International. This is the last award of the day. May I invite Mr. Ajay Madan from Panasonic. The recipient of this award has led the ERP implementation of many new greenfield plants, and these ERP implementations were done within cost and time budgets, which had a real impact on the overall organization. The largest aluminum company, Hindalco, and the CIO, Mr. Bhushan Akerkar, he is the recipient of this award. Unfortunately, he is out of country. I would request somebody from the DataQuest team, can you please come and accept the award?
The awardees were chosen by the editor on the basis of the projects worked upon by them and their popularity within the IT industry. We caught up with a few of the winners to share their experience.
Any kind of reinforcement to IT initiatives helps quite a bit. And this is a reinforcement that if you take appropriate initiatives and technology, helping the company to gain a lot of competitive edge, not only the company, but the industry on the whole recognizes these initiatives and the people who have taken the initiatives. So this entire award is a testimony to my team's effort on how they've been able to transform using IT.
This award is really gives a kind of appreciation and motivation for the work which we have done. And as I said, it is a surprise to me, and this is a good surprise to me, that's what I...
It's good for my team basically. It's a very young team, and they will feel motivated, and already in this calendar year we have won about 70 awards across different departments, and we have been using IT very effectively to simplify our internal processes and make citizens basically interface very user friendly.
Well, this is a great sort of appreciation for the work that we have been doing at KPIT Technology, and it's really a big appreciation for the team who have been always helping, who has been supporting for implementing the newer and newer technologies in the company.
I must thank DataQuest for recognizing the work that I have done in the oil field. as well as it came to me as a surprise because I never thought that my work can win me awards someday.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of the show. We hope through this show you have a better understanding about all the aspects of the life of a CIO. It is time to say goodbye, but you stay tuned to ET Now.